Hello, it's Denise and I'm up in the potting shed. I'm sowing peas. Really excited about this variety from Real Seeds. It's, I've got my glasses on and I can't read. Rosa Crone Semi-Dwarf Pea. What's it say? A very unusual heirloom from Sweden with beautiful red-pink flowers in crown. A very unusual heirloom from Sweden with beautiful red-pink flowers in crowns above the foliage. It grows to around 4 to 5 foot tall and looks stunning. A decorative feature that also produces lots of tasty peas. So, can you see that? Popping them in. You can't see that. Let's have a look. There. We have all the best technology a potting shed can provide. It's a smartphone without a stand. Totally low tech. What else did I get from Real Seeds? Ooh, I'm trying Carmen sweet red onion. I think I've seen some other people having success with that, so I thought I'd give it a go. Ooh, and can't pronounce Globber large mild onion. Give that one a go. Now here's the clever thing, you see, whenever I grow an onion it's teeny. Oh, do you know what I've got? That's one of my onions from last year, beautifully formed. I tell you what though, it's stored well. It's been in the potting shed all winter. Beautifully formed little onion. That's big for me. So my thinking is, if I grow a really large onion, I'll probably end up with a medium-sized onion. That's the plan. No, I think this might have been Red Baron. No, that's a shame actually. I need to take that up into the kitchen to cook. Look how beautifully that's stored, just left on the side in the potting shed. Anyway, back to the peas. I've got organic Oscar dwarf early pea, and it's from the Czech Republic. So it says, from the Czech Republic, Oscar is a dwarf plant about 3 to 4 foot tall that makes extremely sweet peas right at the start of the season. It bears a large number of peas on a small plant. So the reason for this video was to say, if you're late like me, don't despair. Still plenty of time to sow those peas. They don't like to go out and when it's wet and damp anyway, so get them started inside and they'll romp away if they get plenty of sunlight. Once they're 3 to 4 inches tall, pop them out into their final growing position. I've grown them in the ground successfully, which is amazing for me because usually I put things in the open soil and things eat them. That's my cat saying hello. Raymond, they're not interested. I've grown them in pots, I've grown them in troughs. I'm really good at growing peas. Anyway, get those peas sown. Ta-ra!